I was just meditating, trying to find my inner peace. A video pop up, a man yelling at the nail tech because he couldn't wait any longer. Another video pop up, a woman drove off without paying for her nails. Now the man who's yelling at the nail tech, first of all, that's pathetic. Why are you screaming like an animal? Say something. God, I couldn't even understand what you say. All you heard was screaming and screaming. And secondly, if you are that impatient, pick up the phone, call, and make an appointment. It's not that hard. And if you walk in and you notice the shop is busy, everyone is busy, and you're willing to wait, and you're still complaining, you just have a very low IQ of common sense. Now, the other person who's drove off without paying for her nails, that's pathetic too. First of all, a service is already produced. Rather you like it or not, you still have to pay for the service. Secondly, why are you acting like this in public? Oh, don't touch my car. First of all, you're setting a bad example for the next generation, even if you have kids. Because now your kid's watching that video and be like, that's my mom? My mom act like that? And you probably go home and tell your kid, that's how a cool mom acts like. No, bitch. That's not how a cool mom acts like. A cool mom have respect for herself. And if she doesn't like something, she'll make a settlement and complain about it. But she doesn't go and not pay for a service. God, let me go back and meditate, y'all. Gotta find my inner peace.